Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to edit this video, how to make a cut here. You drag it to between here, and you play T, press key, and you have two cuts here. And if you want it to be exactly like, for example, I have 4 per second, and have to so 1 minute or 2 minutes or something. You can place for 101, and now we have 2 minutes. Now you can, if you have a long video, you can drag it like, if you have it, you can key it there. And that's for me. I hope you enjoy it and subscribe.